and welcome back to the kitchen. No, stay down there. Today we're gonna make spiced bourbon pecan pork butter tarts. Yeah. Into a bowl, you're gonna toss some brown sugar, an egg and a half, melted butter, corn syrup, some cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, maybe something else, and some bourbon. Oh. Now set that aside for a second. Get yourself an ugly pork chop. Give it a bath. Oh dear. Just leave that. Let it soak. Okay, it's been soaking for maybe 30 seconds. We're gonna put it on this rack. Give it a little wipe. Now we're gonna put it into the oven at 275 degrees for an hour, but every 15 minutes we're gonna flip it and give it some more of this stuff. Okay, give it a little taste. That's pork. And we're just gonna set that aside for a bit. If you've never made pastry before, you're not gonna learn today. Get a hunk of this, and you just wanna roll it really thin. Why is it orange? Now I've got a tart pan and a cutter. If you don't have a tart pan, use a muffin pan. They'll just be huge. And start cutting them out. Tarty. Gather your scraps. You wanna be careful with this because the more you work with pastry, the worse it gets. So we've got our little tart shells. Put these in the fridge for, I don't know, 10 minutes, half an hour, however long you really want. Just don't do like a day. Okay, welcome back. It's been a time. I ate some lunch, went to a Zoom call. These are thoroughly chilled. Pop those wherever. Pretty good. Take the bone out here. If you don't like working with bones, a boneless pork chop would work. Maybe. I can hear my mother coming home. Slice it into little chunks. That's good. I don't know why you'd ever go vegan. Take some of the fattier bits and toss them to the side. Tenderly. Oh, it's so soft. Goodness. As I snack here, we're gonna make our tarts. Take a little bit of this, put it into each one here. That's pretty close to even. Get your leftover filling here and just spoon it in like you would a normal butter tart. But we are not normal. Oh. Now we got some really roughly chopped pecans, pecan, however you want to say it. Put a couple of those on top of each one. Now these are going to go off to the oven, bottom third, for half an hour. 30 minutes later, they are hot as the devil. Put them on a hot plate and wait. If I got a little bit carried away with the filling, they might be very stuck. They will persist. And that's our butter pecan pork tart. This looks really good. So now you get the best of both worlds. You get a butter tart and you get protein. So it's good for you. Oh my god. Okay, this is really good. Just as a painter paints his canvas, so too did we paint this pork chop. This is a keeper. This is my new favorite thing until next week when we make something else. So, do all the fun, sherry, likey, thingamabobs, and I'll see you next week.